Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the daily currency call today, where Jin shares his analysis and ideas for specific currency for each day. So the usual schedule of the week is Monday Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday Euro, Wednesday Pound, Thursday Yen and Gold, which is today, Friday Canadian Dollar. So I see many new names here today. So just help me with this poll, just to see, is it your first time here? Just launched the poll, would appreciate if you guys can help me fill out the poll. So this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. So a disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we have a lot of new first-timers here today. So I just want to find out, how did you get here? How did you find out about us? So while you guys are filling out the poll, a quick introduction about Jin. So Jin is the founder of LCMs Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMs Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades an account with more than US $10 million on a daily basis for his managed account clients. He's also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course, Singapore, recently featured in local radio, sharing his views about the FX market. So just want to look at the poll again. Yeah, we have a lot of you guys coming in from the Telegram channel, as well as friends sharing this currency call. So just want to do a quick sharing about our Traders Club. So yeah, I just shared my screen. So I want to take this opportunity to share with you about the LCMs Traders Club. So this is our private Facebook group where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or even full-time trading, this is where you get a lot of information that will be beneficial to your trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram, you would have been receiving free signals. But a question you might have is, yes, we provided you with something like this signal, but you have no idea when to exit or why do we exit the trade. So in the Traders Club, we actually provide you with more information about the signal, the strategy behind the signals, and we actually guide you on where to exit with specific reasons. So like, for example, if you look at this trade, Euro Aussie, we push this signal out here much earlier than in Telegram, so that the Traders Club member can benefit from the early entry. And we also provide you with the 5 steps analysis here, which you guys will learn also from the videos in the Traders Club. At the same time, we actually tell you we actually give you the TP, and then we suggest you to secure profits at which TP level. So these are things that you don't get from the Telegram channel. So why do we do this? So, in the long run, you not only earn from these signals, but you also learn how to trade better. So if you are totally new to trading, we actually have Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday, members only live Zoom sessions, where we run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, update you on recent market and economic developments. So just want to show you guys that on Monday, we always do the weekly live call with Jin, where we give you the last week's economic roundup so that you can get prepared to trade the market this week, signal analysis and coaching again. And then Jin will usually do some group coaching, discussing about psychology, full-time trading, and of course, identifying trades. So this session is usually the best time to pick Jin's brain on pretty much any trading-related questions you might have. And on Wednesday, we actually give you tutorials on new topics like trend, divergence, chart patterns, candlestick patterns. so that you get a more wholesome approach to trading. So lastly, we have a wide range of analysis here, like our currency watch list. So every morning, if you don't have the time to get the charts, we actually give you the currency watch list every day so that you get to know what's our bias to all the currency pairs. And many more features here that you can see. So yeah, to join this group, it's actually a paid subscription of $199 a year, but we have a promo going on, which Jin will share a little bit more later. So
no, I won't. You tell them now.
Okay, so yeah, if you guys are in the 4-day Kickstarter, yeah, take a look at my screen. If you guys wait, 4-day Kickstarter. Yeah, so do join this group if you guys are not inside. This is our 4-day Kickstarter. Today will be the last day where we actually share the strategy behind the 5-step strategy. But it's not too late. If you come in with the 4 days videos are all still here. So you can review, read, watch the videos, download the course materials, and catch up. But do note that we'll remove the videos by the end of today. So this is your last chance to join and learn everything. So yeah, back to the promotion. So if you want to get into Traders Club for free without paying the $199 a year, all you have to do is join this LCMS Traders 4-day FX Kickstarter. I will put up the link in a little while. Start your trading account here. Fund it with at least $1,000. You will receive also the 100% bonus credit, and of course our 1 year of Traders Club for free. So yeah, join us in this LCMS Traders Club, and of course this 4-day FX Kickstarter, get your account funded and join us in LCMS Traders Club for free. So yeah, with that, I'll pass the time now to Jin for the current.
I was just being mean. I'll tell you more about that as well. Super excited today. We are talking about the yen pairs. Before I even go through what I would normally do, looking at the news, telling about the VIP accounts, all that kind of stuff, I do want to share with you this. So, super excited about this. Traders Club members, where was it? Wait, that's not. This was US yen 104. Is this current trade? No. 2 p.m. Where's our trade? Well. Okay, the signal was sent out this morning. US yen is making money already. The euro yen 50 minutes ago, the US yen here at 104.33. We're already in the money on that. So I do hope that those of you who are in Traders Club, you've turned on the notification. Make sure you get this notification earlier so that you can get onto these trades. Right now, US yen is at 104.47. So you already got 10 pips in at least. So this is one way to get into some trades, make money straight away early in the morning. We've done that before the call, 1 hour before the call, getting everyone some profits straight away, right? So if you are not already in Traders Club, then you would have got it on the Telegram channel, but Telegram channel is going to be quite a bit later than what we get in the Traders Club. I see a lot of you joining the 4-day course right now. That's fantastic. Okay, just a quick one again. 4-day FX Kickstarter. We are on day 4 tonight, 7 p.m. Click join. Make sure you join if you have not already. We've got 50 something of you here. Make sure you're all in it. Tonight will be where I go through the whole trade examples or strategies, putting it together, telling you why I'm looking to buy, why I'm looking to sell, the reasons behind that buy and sell, how to apply everything together. The videos are all there. So if you're missing out on anything, make sure you watch it over and over and over again. Jin Wei said we'll take it down tonight. I'll try and twist his arm and not take it. I'll be nice. Can we keep it up a little bit longer? Oh, he said no. Okay, so I try to be nice. He says no, so we will be taking it down later well, by the end of today. So make sure you join right now. Watch the videos, take advantage of it. Traders Club members, you will get it in the Traders Club forever, unless Jimmy wants to take it down again. You know, who's the bad guy there? With that said, looking at the news, is that one away? All right, looking at the news, make sure a lot of things to sign up for. I've got so many things to help you with your trading. Make sure you are on forextradingasia.com. Register for an account. Register for an account there. You read the analysis. Where is it? You read all the analysis that we have. People writing. I write stuff. Our team writes analysis there as well. It's all there. Every time you read and rate, you get points. And every time you get points, eventually you can redeem these points for cash vouchers, right, on Amazon. So you can use any other site. You can get all the information there, but you can use Forex Trading Asia. Register your account, rate, get some points, use those points and get Amazon vouchers. I cannot think of a better way. So you not only profit from your trades, you profit from reading analysis. So looking at the news here, today is Thursday. We went through some yen news early this morning, but these are not the news that I pay a lot of attention to. For the yen pairs, we have the pound GDP later today at 3 o'clock. Might affect the pound yen, so we'll consider that. Manufacturing production, not too concerned. Monthly GDP, 3-month quarterly, don't think that will change too much. So we've got ECB tonight. So rate decision most definitely going to hold at the same level, but pay attention to the monetary policy statement, whether they're going to, increase stimulus, whether they're going to plan for more negative rates, whether they're looking to do a bit of QE to stimulate the economy. That's going to be interesting on what they're going to say at the statement, and also during the press conference at 9:30 tonight, GMT +8. We do have US CPI numbers coming out as well, which I don't think is going to be much of a surprise. So we expect to see possibly some dollar weakness coming from this CPI number going from 0.2 to 0.1 within that range. Okay, so no real surprises there. And then tomorrow, nothing too exciting. So it's a good way to end the week with no crazy news coming out. We expect to see maybe some profit taking. We see a bit of volatility this week, so we see some profit taking possibly on Friday. The main thing this week or over the next couple of days will be whether there's going to be a Brexit deal within that deadline. Okay, so look at the headlines here. The breaking news: the pound drops as an impasse unsettled. They're still talking about whether there's going to be a deal or not. Yesterday, I was sharing with you about the pound, the two-part trades. Part one worked out, part two didn't happen. So we start looking at the yen pairs to see what's going to happen today. All right. So looking at the charts, this is the US yen. This is the US yen on the H4 time frame. We were looking at, the signal went out at 104.33, if I'm not wrong. So right now you're looking at a good 13 pip profit already. So I hope you did jump into that trade. At this point now, I do think that we're going to see the yen slowly climb up towards the 104.80 level. The 104.80 level. Another 30 pip, I think is going to be quite possible. Hit that 104.80 and then after that test lower again. Okay, it's happened several times already. It's happened several times. Once here over the past 2 weeks. Last week it hit 104.80, came down. The week before came very close to 104.80, came down. And then the couple of weeks up before that, we saw it break below 104.80 and drop very significantly. So at this point, I do think that we might see the USD go up, test 104.80, possibly reject it and turn back lower towards 104 flat. Keeping within that range, I think it'd be quite an interesting trade. All right. Possibly one of the questions you might have is, if you didn't jump into the trade on the signal, is it a bit too late right now? I would say if you have attended my 4-day course, or if you attended day 3 of the 4-day course, you would know that it's a little bit too late. I won't tell you why right now, but you will know why it's too late. So if you don't know why it's too late, jump onto the 4-day course, go watch day 3 right now, and then, not right now, watch it after I've gone through this session. Then you know why it's a bit too late to jump into the US yen trade. Possibly, if you wanted to look at it later, slightly later, you could be looking at a 30 pip move upwards for a very tight stop at 15 pips. 15 stop, 30 take. I'll be quite happy with that trade, to trade it up towards 104.80, then let it reject to come down. The euro yen is quite interesting. The last time I spoke about it, I said I was going to test 127.22 and then come down towards 125.72. It didn't go up and test, but it did come down and test 125.72, a very strong support at this point. It looks like it's possibly also going to go up and test this 127.22. However, don't look to buy right now. It needs to break past 126.59 or 126.60 for that 50 pip move upwards. Okay, have that little bit of patience. Let it move this 30 pips upwards. Don't trade that. If it breaks above 126.60, you have that 50 pip upward move. You can put a stop loss of even 20. So I'll zoom in one more. So you have a 20, if it goes past 126.60, you can have a 20 pip stop loss and a 50 pip, 60 pip take profit, 1:3 or 1:2.5. That would be a good trade, but you will need to wait for it to go past 126.60. I'll move that line a little bit higher. So let it go past 126.60 before you could see that 50 pip move upwards. Why 126.60? Because of that rejection once here, twice here. I'll wait for it to break above that level. This is actually quite close as well. So I'll wait for it to break past these 3 points before I would think that I'll see any further upside. Pound yen has seen massive volatility over the past week, or during this week itself. You've seen that big drop, that big 170 pip drop in 4 hours, bounced straight back up, came back down again, tested our line at 139.17. Looks like it's bouncing back up again. I would advise to stay away from pound yen at this point, mainly because of what's happening with the whole Brexit deal or no deal talk. At this point, I would say that it's possibly going to behave a bit like what's happening over in this week here, right? So it will spike very quickly between 139.17, 140.18, or even up to 140.60, right? So it'll be in this, I'll just shade this whole thing. It'll be in this whole range, spiking up and down. It will look like there's a lot of trading opportunities on hindsight, but as you are trading it, or as you are monitoring it, it will be a situation where you possibly want to buy, it spikes down, you want to sell, it spikes up, you get caught in between positions. I would best advise at this point, with a high volatility and a rather tight range, I would say stay out of the pound yen for now. Let's see a good decision, whether it's a deal or no deal, for Brexit, you then trade that direction more convincingly. Okay. The next one is gold. So gold, the last time I spoke about it, I said it was going to test 1800 before possibly going higher. At 1850 right now, I think that it will come back down and sit in this range. So it will possibly come back down, test this range, 1800, go back up, 1850, 1800, 1850. I would say don't trade gold. Don't think of gold as an active trade. Think of gold as a long-term trade. So remember, gold, I'm looking at it on a daily time frame. So as I look on it on a daily time frame, zooming out, as it comes into this range, I would be more tended towards looking for buying opportunities. Look for buying opportunities. Don't look to short it down. Let it come down to 1800. Look to see if you can buy it back up towards 1850. Let it come down 1800. See if you can buy it back up to 1850. Okay, so very quickly went through the US yen. We are already in the money on the US yen. I hope you had that trade. If not, looks like it's going to go towards 104.80. The euro yen, let it break above 126.60 before it could possibly go towards 127.22. The pound yen, stay away, do nothing because of Brexit trade discussions. And then gold, look for buying opportunities at 1800 to buy up towards 1850, possibly going to stay within that range. Looking at the questions, Andy just asked why the range move in gold. Range move in gold mainly because there's really no real push towards any directions. There's no real reasons why it should go higher. It's almost like the uncertainty in COVID has reduced, in inverted commas, reduced. So that we don't see economies closing as much. We don't think there's going to be that big an impact anymore. With the talk about vaccines coming around, we possibly don't. People are not rushing towards reserve, so no big move towards 2000 or 2050 or 2100, that kind of levels. But there is still that niggly thought, what's going to happen. So it's still trading in that range as people start thinking or getting into positions or waiting to see what's going to happen. So with all that wait and see, gold will be trading within that range. So I hope I answers your question there, Andy. Any other questions? That's it. Where can I watch the 4-day course? The 4-day course link is going up right now. The 4-day course is on Facebook. It's a click that link, join, or jump onto Facebook group and join straight away. There, and then we have the live session tonight as well, GMT +8 at 7 p.m. All right, the main financing rate on euro tonight will be a change in real interest rate or the nominal interest rates. It's not going to be a change. First of all, I don't believe there's going to be a change in the financing rate tonight. So possibly going to most likely, quite almost guaranteed that it's going to hold at the rates. So I don't think there's going to be a change, first of all. And then it will be I'm not too sure whether it's the real or nominal fixed in deposit rates. So we'll look into that. Anything else? All right, so that's it. I'll pass it back to Jinwei.
Okay, thank you, Jin. Okay, I just launched the poll. Let us know what you think of this webinar. I've also posted some links in the chat, our YouTube channel, subscribe to it. For the daily recordings, our Telegram channel for the free signals, Traders Club link, and also the 4-day course link. Jacob, let me give you the Facebook group link again. Just join the group, scroll down and you will see the 4 days video still inside the group. May, how much is the cost? The 4-day course is free. Just join the Facebook group. Okay, so looking forward to see everyone here tonight for the 4th day of the 4-day course. The actual strategy tonight will be shared. And see you guys tomorrow for the Canadian dollar analysis. With that, yeah, have a great day and goodbye.